In this video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer your Google Play Games data to Game Center. This can be tricky, especially if you're switching from Android to iPhone. Let's get started. First, open your Google Play Store and make sure you're signed in to the correct account. Tap your profile icon at the top right to verify your Gmail. Next, go to the Play Games app and make sure you're signed in with the same Gmail account used in your Play Store. Then, tap the three dots in the top right corner and select Settings from the menu that appears. After that, under the Profile and Privacy section, try to turn on Automatically Sign in to supported games to sync your game progress. However, some users may not see this option depending on device or region. And that's what you need to know about moving your game data across platforms. If this helped clear things up, give it a like and subscribe to How to Tutor for more tech guides. See you next time!